We finally get to see inside of Lloyd's toolbox.
Hi, Lloyd's.
People like you.
It's
Show
fun
us
stuff.
your favorite drawer. Yeah, you can only pick one.
Probably these. This will probably be the most used drawer.
Allen keys?
Yeah, so I've got my Allen sockets metric, standard, and I got metric 3/8 drive. And you got metric and standard Allen keys. Got special ones for the low profiles. And I got picks and specially modified Allen keys. And then more specially modified tools.
I love it. But seriously, people are like, oh, I want to see more of Lloyd. We like Lloyd.
Lloyd's the man.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
literally.